My name is Dino Odell, and welcome to the really awesome, super perfect, fun and rockin', crazy great songwriting workshop, Lesson 3. Our big topic is rhyming couplets. Let's get started with our couplet quiz. Our topic today is, romance. I know how much upper elementary students like rhyming couplets that are romantic. Our first example is the classic, Roses Are Red. Here we go. Roses are red, violets are blue, sugar is sweet, and so are you. Excellent. Our second romantic rhyming couplet is called New School. Since my family moved away, I miss seeing you every day. Good. And don't worry, we're not finished yet, fourth grade boys. We've got one more romantic couplet. It's called Puppy Love. A dog breath kiss, a whiskery smooch, a drooly lick from my pooch. What can I say? My Labrador loves me. All right, what is a rhyming couplet? Let's talk about this. Two lines that rhyme. Couplet actually means two, kind of like a couple of people. That's two people. A couple of chocolates is two chocolates. So who uses rhyming couplets? Dr. Seuss. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam. I am. So let's look to see what we have here. We've got two lines that both end in a rhyme. Perfect. That's a rhyming couplet. Who else uses them? William Shakespeare. This couplet is from the play Macbeth. And in this scene, there are witches gathered around a cauldron, which is like a pot that they're making potion in. And here's what they say. Double, double toil and trouble, fire burn and cauldron bubble. Okay, so again, we have two lines that end with rhymes, trouble and bubble. Who else uses rhyming couplets? The Queen Bee. For this couplet, Beyoncé is singing about riding in a convertible listening to music. You know, I got my top back and my beat low, rocking my stunner shades and turning up my radio. Yeah, and again, we've got two lines that end with a rhyme. All right, I think it's time to write our own rhyming couplets. There are 3 steps. Step 1, write rhyming words. Step 2, make sentences that end with those words. And step 3, combine those sentences to make couplets. Let's start with writing rhyming words. Let's say we take a word like boy, and then we add toy and soy. Those all rhyme, easy. Then we write some sentences that have the rhyming word at the end. So we're going to take the word boy and we're going to put it at the end of a sentence. I saw a young boy. We're going to do the same thing with toy. Where is my favorite toy? And I like to eat soy. Next, we're going to combine those sentences to make couplets. So, I saw a young boy. Where is my favorite toy? So we have 2 sentences and they rhyme, great, but there is a problem. There's 2 ideas and they don't connect in this couplet. I saw a young boy. Where's my favorite toy? Those are 2 separate ideas. We want this couplet to be cohesive. We want the ideas to connect. We're going to have to change some of the words to make this couplet work. Okay, so I saw a young boy, where is my favorite toy? What if we changed where is to I saw a young boy stealing my favorite toy? Now the ideas are connected. We could come up with another one. I saw a young boy breaking my favorite toy. I saw a young boy eating my favorite toy. I saw a young boy and gave him my favorite toy. All of those work, so let's try another one. I saw a young boy, I like to eat soy. Okay, they both rhyme, but again, the ideas aren't cohesive. So what can we change in that line to make it two connecting ideas? I saw a young boy. I like to eat soy. Why don't we try changing I like to who likes? I saw a young boy who likes to eat soy. Great. No problem. That stuff is easy. You guys are ready for your assignment, which is to write 3 rhyming couplets. First of all, we'll write rhyming words. Secondly, we'll make sentences that end with those words, and then we'll combine them to make couplets. You have 5 minutes. Let's get to it. Be sure to pause the video so that you can write your rhyming couplets. Okay, our next lesson, song form. My name's Dinosaur Odell. Thank you for joining me with the really awesome, super perfect, fun and rockin', crazy great songwriting workshop, lesson 3, rhyming couplets. Our homework to turn in, 3 rhyming couplets. And remember, a good rhyming couplet never sounds wrong. Tomorrow we'll study the form of a song. See you at our next lesson.